Welcome to Young Learners Curriculum. Are you ready to learn new vocabulary? Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Passport, a document needed to travel. He got his passport from home. Airport, a place where planes land and take off. I need to go to the airport and meet my gate, the place you get on or off the plane. He went to the gate to wait for the plane. Seatbelt, a strap and buckle to hold you in place. He put on his seatbelt before the plane left. Suitcase, a bag you put your clothes in. She got her suitcase out and put clothes in it.